this tune, we're gonna be using our tuning tool. This comes in your kit as well. It has a filing edge on here, and this is specific for your ski, your snowboard. You don't want to use this for anything else because it'll ruin the edge. And then when you tune your skis or your snowboard, it's not gonna treat your edge very well. So use this just for your edges. And there's different angles on here. So you can see there's an 80, and then you can just push it in whatever angle you want. So we're gonna be using 89. This is my buddy's board. He's not a super aggressive snowboarder. If you're an aggressive skier or snowboarder, you usually want more of an aggressive edge. So instead of an 89, you can do like an 88 or an 86. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna start on the edge here. We're just gonna run it, make sure it's rested up against your base, and you just run it down like a file. So when you have your file and your edge tool ready, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into pattern. So again, tip to toe, we're gonna go, I like to do threes, so I'll do this, I'll go 1, 2, 3, I'll pass 3 times, I'll do the middle, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll do the back, 1, 2, 3. I'll do the whole edge, 1, 2, 3. So that's how I learned it. That's how I like to do it. You can do more, just make sure that it's always the same. So if we're doing 3 right here, 3 right here, 3 right here, on the other side, on the other edge, we're gonna do the exact same thing. 3, 3, 3. Then we're gonna pass all 3 times. So make sure the edges are the same. Same pattern every time.